Welcome to Easy English Discovery. 50 plus daily use short and simple sentences in English.
Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Please pass the salt. Excuse me, where is the restroom? I don't understand. Can you explain that again? What time is it? I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat. That's a nice shirt you're wearing. I'm running late. I need to hurry. Can you help me with this? I'm going to the store. Do you need anything? Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Pardon me, I didn't catch your name. Have a great day. It's a beautiful day today. I'm going to bed early tonight. Can you turn up the volume, please? I don't know the answer to that. I'll try my best to help you. Excuse me, is this seat taken? I'm looking forward to the weekend. Could you repeat that, please? I'm feeling a little tired. I'm going for a walk. Would you like to join me? I'm sorry, I don't have time for that right now. Enjoy your meal. I'll see you later. Have a safe trip. I'm going to the gym after work. Can you recommend a good restaurant? I'm afraid I don't have any cash on me. I'm sorry, I can't make it to the event. I'm looking forward to our meeting. I'm going to bed now. Good night. I'm sorry, I don't understand what you mean. I'm going to the library to study. I'm going to the park for a picnic. I'm going to the movies tonight. I'm going to the beach this weekend. I'm going to the museum tomorrow. I'm going to the concert next week. I'm going to the zoo with my family. I'm going to the mall to do some shopping. I'm going to the bank to deposit a check. I'm going to the post office to mail a package. I'm going to the doctor for a checkup. I'm going to the dentist to get my teeth cleaned.